Plans, plans, more plans. I haven't done a planning videos of late up on the channel. However, this month I'm doing one because I have something fun that I want to show you, and we're going to apply it to this month's pages. Some of them. Anyway, let's go through it. And we are rolling. I've lost the books. I don't know where they are. I don't know about you, but a lot of the time I suffer from decision fatigue. I can't make decisions. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where I am. I also find that I end up just choosing the same coloring pages with the same coloring palette unless I challenge myself, which is what I'm going to do this month. So I have been perusing the internets on the line to see if I could find some kind of decision maker tracker thing, and I actually stumbled across this app. Now, I'm not sponsored by this app. I have no idea who makes it. I just found it. It's random. It's one of those apps where you got to keep swiping away the ads. So I don't know, but I'm going to use it. And it is an app called Tiny Decisions, and it's this little red one here. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to help me decide what book to color. I've entered in all of my books into a spinny wheel, and I've also entered all the page numbers 1 to 80. So this app is going to help me choose the book and the coloring page. And I thought that today we could go ahead and pick 5 coloring pages to do this month randomly. And then I can figure out what kind of video to do based on what this decides. So I do have some coloring pages next to me that I will do. I've got 3 books that I know that I will do, but I'm going to choose 5 extras and see if we can get through them all. If not, that's fine. We'll just add them on to next month. So let's give it a spin, shall we? I'm a little bit nervous because what if I get something that I don't want? Anyway, you know the drill. So what book to color? Midnight Masquerade. Let me get the book. Okay, so I know that there's not 80 pages in this book. So what I'm going to do is select the number, and I'm going to let that choose from 1 to 80. If I've already colored it, I'm just going to get the random number again. If it's a number that exceeds the amount of pages in this book, I'm going to do the same thing. So get random number. Page 57. Let's find page 57. So some books have page numbers, so Kirby's have numbers, but for the ones that don't, we're just going to start. Number 1 is going to be with the first illustration. So I'd consider the nameplate number 1. Five, 56, 57. Okay, guys, number 57. This is a portrait page. You could treat it like a double page spread. You could. I won't, because there's no like conjoining anything. So you could go same but different. So I'm going to treat this as number 1. Single page. Let's mark that. Oh my gosh. What video do you think we could do? Before I do that, let's look at the whole page. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments, what type of video would you like to see on this page? And this applies to any of the pages that I choose today. What kind of video would you like to see? Would you like to see a color along, a demo and do color along, a silent color along, a full page tutorial, a spotlight tutorial, a challenge, a color palette challenge, how to color a certain element? What do you reckon? Or maybe you have a particular medium that you would like to see me try. Okay, so that is our first page decided. Midnight Masquerade. Let's pick the next one and reset the wheel, I think. Reset wheel. All right, spinny spin. Little folk. Oh, yay. Oh, am I enjoying it? Yes, I'm enjoying it. Not now. Right, ladies and gentlemen, Little Folk, page number 57 again. That's funny. Okay, 57. Okay, so I'm actually going to start. 1 will be here because there is paper there too. Oh, I don't know if we're going to have 57 because it's single-sided. We'll see. We might have to change it up. So that's 2. All right, guys, we're going again because we have 56 pages. Did it 76? No, gotta go again. I need under 56. 64. We're here for a month of Sundays. 40. We can work with 40. What was 40? I don't know. I don't remember. 40. Okay, we have the Raccoon Rascals at number 40. Cute. Oh, that's gonna be fun. All right, let's earmark that one. Again, let me know what kind of video you would like to see for this. I could always color stuff off camera if no one cares to see a particular page. Oh, we'll see. That hair is gonna be fun. Lots of hair there. That'll be fun. All right. That's number 2. We've got 3 to go, and then we're gonna actually go through the pages that I do have planned. Reset the wheel. Beautiful Planet by Layla Julie. Guys, yes. Okay, so I have quite a few pages in this book colored already, so hopefully we don't have to select too many. Oh, 73. This has 80. I don't know. All right, no cigar. We have 65 pages. So we need a 65 or under. 62. Okay, so I can go from the back. So that was 65, 64, 63, 62. Oh, succulents. Guys, we've got some succulents. Nice. Can work with that. Can work with that. What? Ooh. And I'm actually very keen to try polychromos. So I've done Prismacolor quite a few times in this book, and I'm actually keen to try to see how some of the other pencils go. I find a wax-based pencil, the wax just sits on top of the paper too much. I can't actually get into the paper tooth, and it just ends up feeling a bit claggy sometimes. It could just be me. I'm not saying that it's the pencil's fault. It could be me. So maybe we can try a different medium. Maybe we could even try acrylic markers. Maybe. We'll see. Let me know what video you might like out of this, or what medium do you think would be fun? And could we do a background or not? Maybe not, because it's like a nice circle. I don't know. But anyway, we'll pick this one. I've colored quite a few pages in this book. I'm glad we've got a Layla Julie one. So that's 3. Let's get way too excited about this. Okay. Seasons, Hannah Carlson. Hannah Carlson again. I'm actually not too mad about this because I don't think I'd coloured anything Hannah Carlson last month, and I've been in a Hannah Carlson little itch, so this could be good. Page number 20. Okay, let's see if we've got a 20. Feel like I'm an auctioneer. Yeah, we got a 20, 20, whatever. Okay, well that's technically 1, I suppose. 2. I mean, you could count 2. Okay, guys. This is our first double page spread. So this is number 20 here, but it's clearly a double page spread because we've got the illustration goes across both. So we're going to do a double page spread, and we've got mice and a whole heap of flowers and bugs. Oh, how cute. I'm definitely feeling Neocolor 2 background. It would be amazing. There's too much masking up to do for Distress ink and too much for pencil. So I reckon Neocolor 2 is going to be the go. We could always go Pan Pastel, but then I've got to erase everything. So I'm thinking Neocolor 2. So we'll tag that one. Again, let me know what type of video you might like to see. This does help shape my decision. When you type your comment, just pop the book in as well, so I know which one you're talking about. That's 4. Guys, this is going to be a cracker month. What a month this is going to be. Are you excited? I'm very excited. Okay, let's go for our last one. Spin. Rooms of Wonder, Johanna Basford. I have not coloured in this book for so long. This is good. I'm really glad I'm doing this. 3. Ooh. I feel like we're going to be like a title page or something. What do you think? Number 3. Well, is that technically, is this? Let's just go 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think we need to treat this definitely as a double page spread because it's exactly the same and they match. I will get an eye twitch if these don't match. So to me, this is a double page spread. The illustrations are exactly the same. You know what we could do? What about another gel pen tutorial? What do you think? Maybe. I'm definitely feeling a pencil background because we've got lots of detail in the pencil work. What else is there? Oh, there's... Oh, I'm so glad we didn't get 4 or 5. Like, heck, that'd be bonkers. So it's this. Oh, so great. You know what I'm almost thinking that I'd love to do in something? It doesn't have to be in any of these pages. Origami paper color palette challenge. Just looking at my color squarey things, I'm just like, oh, that'd be nice. Okay, so we're flagging this one. Just as a recap, so those random pages that we are picking are Rooms of Wonder, Seasons, Beautiful Planet, Little Folk, and Midnight Masquerade. How fun. Vote for your video preference in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts and what you would like to see. Okay, so in terms of other pages that will be complete, the next book I plan to work on is Fragile World by Kirby Rosannes. Now I'm just working cover to cover, page to page. So the next one up on the list is the Snow Leopard. I'm thinking of doing either like a how to color snow scenes or how to color mountains. Or yeah, I'm thinking like a how to color type of video. Because I have had a couple of people comment on this page saying they have no idea and they just would love to see me color this and explain a little bit. So explain myself and walk you through it so you can get some ideas, because these can be a little bit daunting, especially when we've got like massive rocky bits and all of that. So I think it's going to be a how-to video potentially. When I pick all my colors and stuff, I'll see how good we're feeling about all of this. Definitely be doing that one. So I'll pop another thingy there. Okay, the next one that I have up on the list is a buddy color in Garden of Fairy Tale Animals by Kanoko Igusa. I do have it in here. I just don't want to show you yet. We were going to do this in August, but both my buddy color and I were like, life. So we're going to try and get it done this month. All right, so now we need to pick a page from the September section of Floribunda Year, which, did I just flip right past it? Here we are, September. So I did the August nameplate page last month, so I probably won't do the nameplate page for this one. Whoa, look at that. That's a big one. That could be a fun challenge. Thingies, I don't know what they are. It does say in the back of the book. Oh, that one would be cool. Massive flowers. Be a lot of blending going on there. Cornflower, jasmine, sweet pea. And as well, I think I try and pick stuff that's not as similar, like not similar to last time. So sometimes there are crossovers in the seasons with flowers, which, you know, is normal. What's something marigold, betony, corn marigold, a daisy, a bellflower, and St. John's wort. Gee, there's some really nice pages in. Oh, this one would be cool too. This page would be cool because I'm seeing like big yellow flowers and we could do Prismacolor, like some big bright blends, maybe. That's October. Let's go this one. I can change my mind. Okay, so guys, that is 10 pages that I'm planning for this month. So look at what we have to look forward to this month. I hope you join me for every single video. I always love having you here on my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.